Alright, let's first get a hanger to hang that 2-inch pipe. Yeah, I got these. They swivel. I thought that was pretty handy. Oh, dropped the nail. Now, I'm just gonna put something there to hold it while I cut it. I may change where this goes. Not a lot of room to nail. That's at least supported. I'm gonna cut it right here. All right, can I do it very square? Oh, still liquid in there. At least it's not the toxic stuff. It's just the enzyme stuff. I didn't think I put that much in. Get something to lay on the ground. Wow. I had no idea there was that much in there still. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the dishwasher, this piece here. I might actually be able to salvage that, I don't know. Prop that up there. The other thing I bought, you know, those rubber jets you put on the end of a hose, you put in the pipe and then it swells up and fills the pipe. I bought one of those. But the way I'm going to do the drain, I can do that after the fact. What I need to do now is redo the dishwasher pipe first. I need to raise that up. I'll show you what I mean by that. See how it comes down? It's probably got a couple inches above it. I need to cut that off up there where I've got the foam around it and put a new fitting on and get that up higher toward the bottom of the floor. I probably won't be able to show that, but I'll come back when I get further along. Okay, that actually took a while. There were some pieces, some old pieces of pipe that were stood on here in the crawl space, so I didn't have to go out to my garage to get another one, but I couldn't seem to get a square cut. But I finally redid the dishwasher. These are just sitting here in place, and I forgot to bring a Sharpie with me, but what you do is you usually mark. Once you get it in place, you put a mark on the corresponding places when you go to put it in. But I didn't have a Sharpie with me. I don't really want to go out there. So what you can do is find something on the pipe that you can correlate. Like here, there's like a 2 for 2-inch, and it's just to the, it's just around past the white letters on the black pipe. There's a little ridge on this one, and there's a scuff on that pipe. We can line those up. On these two, we can line up the edge of this part of the cast, the name of the pipe company. There's the edge of that, and that little nib from where it was cast in the form. And if we get this where it needs to go, these where they need to go, I think will be good. There are plenty of videos out there for doing PVC. I'm just showing you what I do. Maybe you've got a different method. As long as you find something that works, that's the main thing. Since I was going to be doing ABS and PVC together, you either have to get the all-purpose cement, or there's a cement that's specifically for going between PVC and ABS. And it's usually green, at least the store that I get it from, it's green. Maybe it's a different color somewhere else. So I have the all-purpose cement right now. The thing I don't like about the all-purpose cement is it seems to get tacky a lot faster than the regular PVC cement. Double check that when you get that one done. Make sure that it's still like it's supposed to be. Looks like it is, maybe. Close. Oh yeah, that was supposed to go like that. I was supposed to line up that mark there. I probably got these flipped around. That's probably why it doesn't look quite right. Okay, next I'm going to put on this this Y adapter onto the black pipe, and then once it's in place, then we'll put this back on in between, because this one has some flex. I can lift it up. There's still fluid running out. See if I can remember, see that too. It's not dirty enough now. I got it cleaned off. It's hard to see it. Okay. It's about 1/4 inch from the white letters. Why is that still doing that? I won't let your glue set up. The cleaner will help dry that. If there's water on it, it'll help it, but it needs to not get wet again after you do it though. Okay, since I actually am going with between PVC and ABS this time, I use the green. This is why I don't usually do videos when I'm doing this kind of work, because I want to just focus on getting the work done. It's getting all over me. Okay, where's that to? Okay, somewhere in there. Okay, I think it's gonna stay there. It's not springing back. It doesn't seem to do it as much with ABS pipe, but when you do PVC and you're using PVC cement, like regular PVC cement, it always wants to spring back. You push a pipe in, and it always wants to wants to pull back out. So you have to hold it for a while. Okay, now make sure this is all clean. Get most of the debris. Okay, now, boy, I'm gonna have to go to my chiropractor again after this. Now, clean. Now, this is where it gets, those of you who know this isn't new, but when you go to do this, in this case, you got to work kind of fast because you got 2 joints you're doing at once. So you got 4 surfaces to put glue on. Let's see if we can do it. Let me put it in here first. So I want to get that one out of the way. You usually want to put excess if you're doing a double joint at once, because you want it to make sure that it's not setting up before you start putting it together. Oh no, I lost that line. Well, I lost my line when I put the glue on. See if I can remember where it's at. Well, I don't know if I got it, but it's probably gonna work. Drainage pipe is more forgiving. It's not gonna be stressed like if you had pressure pipe. Pressure pipe, you gotta make sure it's all the joints are straight. Okay, my battery is 10%. I think you've seen enough of what I'm gonna do. I'll just show you real quick what I got left. So I'm gonna have another one of these here. This is gonna get cut off back here. It's gonna go around, it's gonna come in that side. And then I'm gonna put the end cap like so. Thanks for watching. Happy plumbing, and I'll see you in the next video.